Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's video I wanted to talk about another project tractor that I just picked up. This is a John Deere 320. This ended up popping up on Facebook Marketplace about a mile from my house yesterday, so I decided to jump on it. Overall, the tractor's in pretty good shape, though it doesn't run. I do have all the body parts for it. I have the hood here, which is surprisingly not broken. I have it off right now to diagnose the problem. But the ad for the tractor said that, he had some initial problems with the tractor not running right, so he bought another carburetor for it, put the carburetor on it, and it didn't run well even with the new carburetor. So for some reason he bought another new carburetor, and after that, replacing it with that one, it won't start at all. So I figured it might be something fairly simple that I could jump on and take care of pretty quickly here. Maybe resell the tractor, make a few bucks, something like that. So I got it home yesterday, and I noticed right away that the gas was turned off, and I was thinking, there's no way that could be the problem, that maybe the guy literally forgot to turn the gas back on after he replaced the carburetor. But the carburetor wasn't bolted on all the way, which was something he told me. So before I could make sure that was the problem, I had to go ahead and put it back together the rest of the way. And as soon as I started doing that, I noticed we had a bigger problem. We'll go ahead and take a closer look at that now. So when I initially got in here, my plan was just to tighten down the carburetor, but I started to have issues. I just couldn't get it to go on right. It seems like it was bonding up, so I pulled it back off, and this is what I found. Looks like the guy had cracked the intake manifold where one of the studs goes in. The stud on the left is actually bent. The one that I have removed that was on the right side is also bent. I'm not really sure what he was doing, but he was definitely really cranking on this thing to do this. So I definitely put this project on a temporary halt until I can get some new parts here. From what I understand, changing this intake manifold isn't all that hard. It looks like I'll have to take some of the cooling system out too, but overall I don't think it's going to be too bad. This will be the first time that I've worked on one of these liquid-cooled Kawasaki's, but we'll see how that goes. My next video I'll probably go over doing the repair once I get the parts in, but for now I just wanted to introduce the tractor. But otherwise it doesn't need a whole lot other than just cleaned up. I'm going to hold off on buying any other replacement parts for it for now until I get it running to make sure that it's worth putting some money into. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.